Hello everyone, welcome. My name is Angela. Today we're going to talk about common errors people make when they're learning English, both writing and speaking. And today we're going to talk about the misuse of prepositions. We're going to review what the prepositions are, how we use them, and a couple of examples, okay? Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video with others. Let's get started. Our class 3 common errors in English. Today, as we mentioned, we're going to talk about the misuse of prepositions. So for those who aren't sure, maybe you didn't realize prepositions are there. What are they? What are prepositions? So these are the words that show the relationship of two things in a sentence. So how two things are connected. And prepositions are on, in, at, from, and to. So we're going to review these really briefly just to make sure we're using them in the right way. And I'm going to talk about a couple examples that I hear on a regular basis as well. So hopefully if you realize you do it, make a note, take a picture so that you remember, okay? All this is to help you. Let's get started. We're going to start with our first preposition, which is in. So in we use when we talk about enclosed spaces, as well as months, years, and general periods. So let's have a look at what we mean. Here we have a picture. So if I say, where are you? How would you answer that? Remember, we're going to use the preposition in. So we're going to say, I'm in my house, okay? So the relationship to you and your house is you are in your house. How about this one? Now, where are you? I'm in my car. So your relationship, you and your car, you are in the car. How about this one? My birthday is in May. Okay, so again, showing the relationship with our months. And this one, our vacation is in August. You could say, I was born in 2000. I was not born in 2000, but I was born in and the year. Yeah? Things like that to describe our relationship with time or months. How about in? So something that's really common that I hear is, where do you live? And people say, I stay at, and in the country, I stay at Canada, I stay at India, I stay at, yeah, that's not right. So we want to always say, I live in, because we live, it's not enclosed our country, but yes, it does have borders and it is a specific area as well, right? So always when we talk about where do you live, I live in Toronto, I live in New York, I live in, or the country, I live in the United States, I live in Bahamas. Okay, good job. Let's go to our next preposition, at. So this preposition we are using for specific times and for specific points. For example, what time should we meet? What time should we meet? So we're going to say, let's meet at 8 o'clock. Okay? Or what time is dinner? Dinner is at 6 o'clock. Okay? Or where will we meet? So if it's a specific point, a place, we will say, let's meet at the park. Very good. Or where is she? She is at the gym. Okay? So all of that to mention specific times and specific points. Our next preposition is on. So this we use for surfaces. So like tables, counters, anything like chairs even, and for days. So days of the week, okay? So let's see, where is the apple? We use on. The apple is on the table. So again, the preposition tells us, on tells us what's the relationship with apple and table. The apple is on the table. How about this one? When is the holiday? When is the holiday? So the holiday is on Thursday. It falls on a Thursday this year. We say on Thursday. Or in general, when is the weekend? Everybody knows this, right? You're all saying it in whatever language is your native language. But the weekend is on Saturday and Sunday, okay? So days of the week. We also have the preposition from. And preposition from, and we have a preposition to, sometimes are the hardest ones that we kind of get, okay? We use from when we're moving away from something, okay? Something we're going farther away from. So for example, if you see a lot of people, sometimes it's not good to be near them. So we can say we walked away from the crowd. We moved far away from them. Okay? Or how about when we're done work or we're done school? What do? We drove home from school. So school was our first place and we drove away from school. Okay, so anything you do, even now, your mom may say, where did you come from? So your mom was saying, where were you before this? And you say, oh, I came from the mall, or I came from the movie theater. Yeah, or we walked home from work. Okay, so things we move away from. Excellent. And then two, we use when we're going somewhere. Okay, the opposite basically. So we can say, where are you going? And maybe you're walking, maybe you're driving in your car, but you're saying, I'm going to the park, for example. Yeah, or here this. We can also use this. I'm looking forward to the weekend, because the weekend's not here yet, unless you're watching this on the weekend. But if it's Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday, yeah, there's always a weekend in front of us. So we're always looking forward to the weekend. Yeah, or I'm looking forward to, what else can we look forward to? Vacation. I'm looking forward to my holiday or the holiday. Yeah, things like that. Okay, so prepositions are very, very, very important. If you say to mom, oh, I came from school, but you meant, oh, I have to go to school, it's quite different. Okay, so remember, we use in for enclosed spaces, months, years, and general periods. We use at for specific times and specific points. We use on for surfaces and for days. Remember, within, we live in a country, not at a country, okay? That's really important. That's probably the number one error I hear on a regular basis. Remember, we use from when we move away from something, and we use to when we move toward it, okay? If there's a preposition you're not good at, practice. You can write it down below. I review all comments. If you have any questions or want some additional videos as well, you're welcome to do this. If you watch my basic English class, I also did a video on prepositions on day 9, okay? So you can go back and watch. Any questions, let me know below. Good job today, guys. Hello, my English groupies, and thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button below. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment. I am Angela, and I want to thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in my next class.